Hello, Mr. and Mrs. How are you doing right now, all people? I hope you're doing well. So, on this channel, we will learn how to pronounce English with an American accent. So, if you are interested, please subscribe this channel and thank you so much. So, let's get started in this video.
Whatever she says something, I say, okay. Milk, toast, bacon, and egg.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Then she said, how would you like to eat? Huh? Whatever she says something, I say, okay.
And look at this word, he pronounced this all word. Whatever he said, something I tell, okay. Whatever he said, and very smoothly links together these two words like native speaker. He said, not break these two word pronunciation like a native speaker. She said something, thing. Very light pronounce this two letter th. Something, thing. He said something, I tell, okay. Okay. Up and down this word pronunciation, okay. Whatever she said something, I tell, okay.
Whatever she says something, I say, okay. Whatever she says something, I say, okay. Whatever she says something, I say, okay. Whatever she says something, I say, okay. Milk, toast, bacon, and egg.
And he pronounced this word milk, toast, and you notice this word, he don't pronounce this letter T because this T is flap T. Toast, bacon, and egg, and look at this word, and this word pronounces very quickly like a native speaker. So that's why this word pronounce an egg, not pronounce fully letter D. An egg.
Milk, toast, bacon, and egg. Milk, toast, bacon, and egg. Milk, toast, bacon, and egg. Milk, toast, bacon, and egg.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
And he pronounced this word good. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Yeah. This word pronounced very tricky and very fast. Yeah. Sometimes letter Y make sound J. Yeah. Good. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Then she said, how would you like to eat? Huh?
He pronounced this word. Then she said, how would you like to egg? Then she said, how would you very tricky this word pronounce, and this word links together these two words. Would you this time letter Y makes sound J. Would you like to egg? Would you like to egg? Huh? Very tricky this word pronounce. Huh? Up and down, up and down this word pronunciation like a native speaker. Huh? Then she said, how would you like to egg? Huh?
Then she said, how would you like to egg? Huh? Then she said, how would you like to egg? Huh? Then she said, how would you like to egg? Huh? Then she said, how would you like to egg? Huh?